Okay, that's exactly what I thought. Nangiba lapho, hey, yabona
And do your
sitawukwaziwa.
tattoos, I see that, do they mean something on the inside?
Okay, mine don't, but bakhona la mina something la about like I think it's this thing of like gangsterism and all that. But it doesn't work inside.
You didn't see any of that one? You
I
didn't
saw.
experience any of that inside?
No, I didn't. Like when I went there, I thought maybe it was going to be so crazy. I didn't like go say mhlambe utoshishiswa and something. There's nothing like that, dog. Because once they find out you're doing like insho le language yakhona, you always awukhulumi ukuyikhuluma.
Manje, this issue yabo Sodom and stuff.
Yeah, naloko bengicabanga ukuthi kutaba khona, but then kude. Because baze bakubamba you doing that thing. Like say, my water dog they don't even akusi maphoyisa. Yabona nje maphoyisa angcono. Akudlala lapha ekusela. Abantu abakushayela kufa. But security guard laba kufanele ma security guard.
Out of hand.
Nah, ngeke awubhayizi lapha boy.
Manje lapha lokutrapha konje ngokuhlala ndawonye and actually
I know for a fact ukuthi like there are people actually abazonda now inside, but there's nothing you can do. Ngakuzonda wena and like ngifuna kwenta something kuwe, but I can't do anything.